All right, let's talk about this new study that talked about the effect the virus has on your brain. It was just published in the Journal of Nature Neuroscience, and it came from German researchers. And they said the coronavirus may invade the brain through the nerve cells of the nose. And when you take a look, really at the numbers of it, what they found is high concentrations of the virus in the tissue that's associated with smell. And we hear so many people talk about that loss of taste and smell.
Right. And it's important to remember that this virus is not just sitting in your nose or sitting in your lungs. It actually probably goes throughout your entire body. It's not surprising to hear that it would go from your nose into your brain. There's, I want to say, a very close access door from your nose into your brain. So it's not surprising. But what's really important to remember is that the stuff that we're seeing happening associated with the virus isn't going to happen with the vaccine. The vaccine has nothing live in it, has not any kind of the rest of the proteins that the virus has. It only has either a snippet of RNA, like the Moderna or Pfizer, or even just the spike protein with some of the other vaccines. So antibody to the spike protein doesn't look like antibody to anything else you have. So that means that the effects that we're seeing from the virus will not be mimicked by antibody response to a vaccine. And that's good news for a lot of us, because we always worry, are you going to have some long-term issue? And the answer is it does not appear that that will be the case. So people thinking, should I get a vaccine or just take my chances with the virus? The answer is don't take your chances with the virus, because you may have long-term consequences. We're not going to see that with the vaccine.